Sweeping the floor. I sweep the floor every day. Mopping the floor. She mops the floor to keep it clean. Vacuuming carpets and rugs. I vacuum the carpets to remove dust. Dusting furniture. I dust the furniture to keep it shiny. Cleaning windows. I clean the windows too, remove smudges. Wiping down kitchen counters. I wipe down kitchen counters after cooking. Scrubbing sinks. He scrubs the sinks to remove stains. Washing dishes. I wash the dishes after every meal. Loading dishwasher. I load the dishwasher when there are dirty dishes. Cleaning the microwave. I clean the microwave after using it. Scrubbing the stovetop. I scrub the stovetop to remove grease. Cleaning the oven. I clean the microwave after using it. Emptying trash bins. I empty the trash bins every day. Cleaning the fridge. I am cleaning the fridge. Wiping cabinet doors. I wipe the cabinet doors too. Remove fingerprints. Dusting light fixture. I dust the light fixtures to keep them bright. Cleaning ceiling fans. I clean the ceiling fans to remove dust. Wiping down baseboards. I wipe the baseboards to keep them clean. Scrubbing bathroom tiles. She is scrubbing bathroom tiles. Sorting laundry. She sorts laundry before washing. Washing clothes. She is washing clothes. Drying clothes. I dry the clothes in the sun. Folding clothes. I am folding clothes. Ironing clothes. I iron the clothes to remove wrinkles. Putting clothes away. He is putting clothes away. Washing bed sheets. My mom is washing bed sheets. Changing bed sheets. I am changing bed sheets. Washing pillowcases. I am washing pillowcases. Washing blankets. My sister has been washing blankets for 1 hour. Scrubbing the toilet. I am scrubbing toilet to keep it hygiene. Cleaning the shower. I am cleaning the shower to remove soap scum. Wiping bathroom mirrors. I wipe bathroom mirrors every day. Restocking toiletries. I restock toiletries when they run out. Washing bathroom mats. I am washing bathroom mats to remove dust. Organizing bathroom cabinets. I organize bathroom cabinet daily. Cleaning toothbrush holders. I clean toothbrush holders regularly. Replacing toilet paper rolls. I replace toilet paper when it is finished. Scrubbing grout lines. I scrub the grouts to keep it white. Unclogging the drain. I unclog the drain if it gets blocked. Sweeping the porch. He is sweeping the porch. Watering plants. She is watering plants. Mowing the lawn. I mow the lawn when the grass grows long. Raking leaves. I rake the leaves in the yard. Trimming hedges. I trim the hedges to keep them clean. Cleaning patio furniture. I clean patio furniture before using it. Washing the car. I wash the car on weekends. Taking out the recycling. I take out the recycling on collection day. Feeding pets. I feed the pets every morning.